Framework. A quick, simple, and innovative parametric product library construction and cut listing software. With Framework, there is no need for CAD, CAM, or other design software. There is no need to maintain a large library of designs. Product templates replace a typical arduous design process, making it quick and speedy. Framework can go from template to machine in just a few clicks, making it simple for all users. And Framework's parametric templates handle a wide array of product options. Framework can work with all types of manufacturing products such as kitchen cabinets, bedroom closets, restaurant seating, and even cat condos, along with much more. Within the Framework software, the user can add details of the job and add rooms or areas within each job. The user can dynamically create projects without the hassle of dealing with design. The end result is found within the cut list, where the job can be checked for mistakes before sending to the machine. Without the need to do labor-intensive design work, parts can be made using Framework's code editor. Modifications to parts due to product updates can be done quickly and simply in the editor in seconds without having to delve into 3D models. Framework is parametric, so variables can be created to formulaically control parts. It can be connected with other design software that lacks machining to introduce machining, or it can be used as a standalone software to output CNC machining. Join other users who use Framework to cut down time of production, generate higher yield, and create greater efficiency. To learn more, please contact Eurosoft today.